This is Indices Part 2, and we're going to talk about another couple of laws here. We have the letter A raised to the power of m, and this is all in parentheses here, and once you solve that, it's supposed to be raised again to the power of n. Well, you can then have A, which is raised to the power of m times n. Now, how does that work? Okay. We've got the number 2 here. We're going to raise it to the power of 2, which means we're going to take 2 times 2. And whatever result we get from that, we're then going to multiply it by itself 3 times. Okay? So 2 is going to be raised to the power of 2, and whatever answer we get is going to be raised again to the power of 3. Well, 2 times 2 is 4. And 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4 is 64, and that's how you get your answer there. But let's go by this rule. Okay? So now we have 2 raised to the power of 2 times 3. Well, we have to first solve this. 2 times 3 is 6. So we're going to raise 2 to the power of 6, and guess what? If you raise 2 to the power of 6, you'll get 64. Check it out on your calculator. You're going to find out real fast that I'm right about this. Alright, now we have AB raised to the power of n. So what we're going to do is we're going to first multiply the A times the B, and then we're going to raise it to the power of n. Well, we can do that, or you can have A raised to the power of n times B raised to the power of n. Let me show you how that one works. We'll start here. 3 times 2, well, 3 times 2 is 6. We're going to raise the 6 to the power of 2, which means 6 times 6, which is going to be 36. Or, we can distribute that 2 out. 3 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 2. Well, we'll raise the 3 to the power of 2, which is going to become 9. We'll raise the 2 to the power of 2, it's going to become 4. And 9 times 4, of course, is 36. So either way, you get the right answer. And that's indices for you. And I will tell you more in a future lesson. Stay tuned.